Look what I found yesterday in the Chinese market or the Asian market, 99 range market in California. It's nothing less than 带卵香鱼. That means fragrant fish with eggs. Now, fragrant fish is also called Ayu, A-Y-U, or sweetfish. In Chinese, it's called 香鱼. That means fragrant fish. It's a freshwater fish in East Asia, in Korea, Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong, China. But in Taiwan, it used to be plentiful. When my mother was young, they were catching it by the basketful. But by 1968, they went extinct because of overfishing and pollution. I've never tasted. I only heard about it from my mother when I was little. My brother remembers it distinctly also. So yesterday we were shopping. Now I'm 70, in my 70s, 72 or 71, almost 72. But we were shopping at the 99 range market and found this. This is produced by fish farm raised in Yilan County in Taiwan. Well, it went extinct in Taiwan in 1956, but they reintroduced the specimen from Japan and started farm raise them. So in 1990 they were farm raised, and of course we already left Taiwan by then. And now I found it in the fish market. I mean, in the market, imported from Taiwan. This is not cheap though. This is 3 of them, $16. And these are small fish. It's frozen, but I thawed them. You can tell it's female by a distinct notch in the caudal fin. So these are female, and by summer they are very plump with eggs, and they have almost no gill and no stomach content, almost no intestines, very little, and almost no scale. So you can't eat them just whole, but yet they have a lot of spines. You have to avoid them. So anyway, today is the first time I eat xiangyu, the fragrant fish. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I have cleaned them, washed them, definned them, cut off the fins, and lightly descaled them, just using this knife right here. Just do it this way, just lightly. This is almost no scale, very little. Whether you do or not, it's up to you, but I did it. I cut the fins off, and there's really no need to open the abdomen because it has nothing in there but all eggs, no entrails. So if you want, you can just lightly squeeze this part a little bit to squeeze out any unsavory stuff, but you don't really need to do it. There's nothing in there. I heard it's so clean inside. Anyway, I sprinkled some salt and let it marinate for maybe 15-20 minutes. Then in there will go into the air fryer. We'll see how it tastes. Okay, I put it on a rack with some non-sticking oil sprayed on. And then it will go into the air fryer. Okay. Okay, and cook it. Okay, it's done after 10 or 11 minutes at 400 degrees air fry. Things done. So it's good. Let's see. So you're supposed to press a little bit to separate the bones from the meat. And let's see. very delicate.
都掉了。好了，
好。Very good flavor. This is the first time I eaten xiangyu based on my mother's description. Excellent.
这个好，万一难吃，我不要破坏的嘞。
Highly recommend it.
那么多次啊。
Now I'm not an expert in cooking though, but this is just with salt, tasting its original flavor. No need to add anything. Okay.
你没有看
Thank you for
照那个
watching.
没有照它的蛋啊。
哦对，蛋哪
其实这都是蛋，我就叫你破开，你不破开，要不然它的蛋都会锈。这全部都是蛋。
So this is all eggs. All eggs. Let's see. Good. Excellent. Perfect. Thank you for watching.